Hey guys, my name is Lucas Bohn, and I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. In 2020, we bought a house in Lovettsville, Virginia. It's our forever house. I've always wanted to have solar, and so we started looking for companies. I did a Google search and looked around, and I came across GreenBrilliance, and was pretty impressed with their track record, and so gave them a call. And Amir came out, I think the next week, and did a very informative one-on-one consultation with us, and just basically explained the whole process, how solar works, with the rebates through our state, how the energy is stored and used, and what he thought our house would need to get a zero net per month energy bill. I have to say, because of COVID, no one was expecting that. Things kind of got a little crazy with getting some materials and whatnot, because people, stopped going to factories and making stuff. But GreenBrilliance was able to secure an inverter and the battery, everything we needed to do, and they very promptly, once they had the materials, installed everything within about 2 days. And then they came back to do some calibrations, and that's when I started talking to Kumar and Omkar, and they did a great job. Kumar comes out every time one of the system needed to be adjusted or updated or whatever. He was very hands-on. He was very knowledgeable and informative. We ran into one of the inverters, I guess, was a little damaged, and so they got a new one. And Kumar was great. He showed up. He had him installed it in one day. So like I said, now we're working full. I love the fact that I can do everything from my phone. You pull up the Solar Edge app, and it tells you exactly what you're consuming, what you're using, what you're storing, and it's great. And I honestly feel that we're at net zero. In a pretty big house, and we're happy with that. We're very, very happy, and we're happy with how it just runs itself. So I can't. I just love this company. I can't recommend them enough, and they've been very polite from the start. The last thing I want to say is Cassie, who is the main person in the office at GreenBrilliance. She is the, I guess you would call it office coordinator, organizer, liaison, probably the boss of the office at that time. Cassie is great. She always got back to me via an email or if I called. So yeah, listen, if you're looking to go solar, I would say go GreenBrilliance, because we had a great experience, and I look forward to many, many years of no CO2 emissions and free energy. So with that, thank you, Kumar, thank you, Amir, thank you, Omkar, and Cassie for all of your help. Again, my name is Lucas Bohn, and yeah, we love GreenBrilliance.